Welcome to MK Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for detailed insights and reviews of the most fascinating vehicles and technology. Today, we're diving into the Mirage 2000, a multi-role fighter jet that has been a game-changer in the world of aviation. Designed by Dassault Aviation, this aircraft has earned its place as one of the most reliable and versatile jets in modern warfare. It combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance to deliver outstanding results in combat and defense operations. The Mirage 2000 is equipped with a single-engine design, powered by the SNEC MAM53P2 turbofan engine, which provides exceptional thrust and allows the aircraft to reach a top speed of Mach 2.2. Its lightweight design and delta wing structure make it highly maneuverable, capable of handling intense dogfights and precision strikes. The Avionics suite is state-of-the-art, featuring advanced radar systems, electronic countermeasures, and an integrated fly-by-wire system that ensures superior control and stability at high speeds. One of the standout features of the Mirage 2000 is its versatility. It can be configured for air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions, making it an all-rounder in the skies. The aircraft is armed with a 30mm DEFA cannon, a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, and laser-guided bombs, enabling it to handle diverse combat scenarios effectively. The cockpit is designed with a heads-up display, multifunctional screens, and ergonomic controls, ensuring that pilots have all the information they need at their fingertips, even during high-pressure situations. In terms of specifications, the Mirage 2000 has a wingspan of 9.13 meters and a length of 14.36 meters, giving it a sleek and compact profile. Its maximum takeoff weight is approximately 17,000 kilograms, allowing it to carry a substantial payload without compromising on performance. The operational range is around 1,550 kilometers, with the ability to extend this range using external fuel tanks, making it suitable for both short and long-range missions. Additionally, its service ceiling of 59,000 feet ensures it can operate effectively in high-altitude environments. The Mirage 2000 has proven itself in various military operations across the globe, earning the trust of numerous air forces. Its ability to perform in adverse weather conditions, combined with its reliability and ease of maintenance, makes it a preferred choice for many nations. Pilots who have flown the Mirage 2000 often praise its agility, responsive controls, and powerful engine, which provide an exhilarating flying experience. At MK Auto Reviews, we aim to bring you in-depth reviews and detailed analyses of the world's most remarkable vehicles and technologies. If you enjoyed learning about the Mirage 2000, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.